Present teacher.
In this video, we are going to see the uses of capital letters and full stop. So, capital letters, in our previous video, we have used capital letter in the first letter of the first word of a sentence and full stop at the end of the sentence. Now, we will see the more uses of the capital letters. So first one, we know that capital letter is used in the beginning of a sentence. So the first word of the sentence, the first letter of the first word of the sentence is always capital letter. So the next thing is for special names of people, pets, places, rivers and monuments. So, capital letter is used for the special names of people. For example, Raju. The first letter of Raju is R and the R should always be capital. Pets. So, if we give a special name to our pets or animals, so we have to write the first letter of that pet's name in the capital. Like places also, rivers, monuments, the first letter of these words will always be in capital. Next is for names of days and months. So, we know the names of days and months we have already done in our previous videos. So, the names of days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So, the first letter of all those words will always be in capital. And month's name. So, there are how many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. So, in the same way, the first letter of the month's name. So, for example, January. The first letter of the January, the word January is J. So, J will always be in capital. In the same way, all the names of the months will be, the first letter of the month's name will be in capital. Next is for names of festivals and holidays. So we know the festivals name. There are different kinds of different festivals in our country. For example, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Dasera. So the first letter of all those names will always should be written in capital letters. Next is for names of languages. So there are different languages. There are many languages in the world which we speak, which people speak, and different countries have got different languages. So while saying or writing the names of those languages, we have to write the first letter in capital. And we should, there is an interesting thing that capital letters are not written in Korean language, Chinese language, Japanese language or Hindi language. There is no capital letters in those languages. So this also you can keep it in mind. You can also remember that. So the last one is the word I is always in capital letter. So the word I always should be in capital letter. We don't write I, the single I word in small letter. I should always be in capital letter. So here are some of the places where we can use capital letters. And we know the use of full stop. Full stop is always used at the end of the sentence. So children, here are some words and beside every word there is a box. So what here we are going to do is, as you can see, every word is started with small letter. So यहाँ हम क्या करने वाले हैं, सब words small letter से start हुआ है. तो जो words capital letter से start होना चाहिए उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, टिक करेंगे. Those words which are supposed to be started with capital letters, we are going to tick those words in the boxes given in. So first word is January. So January is a name of the month and the first letter should be capital. So this is going to be, so we are going to tick here because the first letter is supposed to be in the capital letter. So just is just a word and it is not the special name. So here no need to write capital letter in the beginning. So here London, as you can see, the London is a name of the special place. So London, L should always be in capital. So we are going to take. So we have to write L in the capital. Here the L is in small letter. We should write L in capital. Cake. This is here C should be in small letter. We cannot write K, C in capital letter. So we are crossing the word. Here cat. Cat is not the special name of the animal. अगर cat की जगह कोई cat का special name होता तो pussy या फिर we give special name to our pet animals. So if there would be any special name of the pet animals, then we would have take it. But cat is just the name of an animal. So here no need to put capital letter in the beginning. Christmas. So C is small letter, but Christmas is the name of the festival and the first letter of Christmas should be capital. So here this word starts with capital letter. Rahul is the name of a person and Rahul R should always be in capital because it is the name of a person. Here we have to take. Sunday is also the name of the day and the name of the days we write in capital letter. First letter should be capital. So here we are going to take. And money is just a word. Here we will not write money M in capital. So crossing it. So Africa is the name of the country. So we write Africa in A in capital. So taking here. That. Children, let's see this exercise. So here are some of the sentences. Here are some incorrect things. We have to do correction in these sentences. So let us read the question first. One word in each sentence should begin with a capital letter. Circle the word and write the letter in the blank. So here what we have to do is, यहाँ जो sentence दिया है उसमें से one word, एक word ऐसा है जो first letter, उसका first letter capital letter होना चाहिए, but the letter is small letter. So what we have to do is, यहाँ क्या करना है, we have to find out which word is that whose first letter should be capital. तो यहाँ पे find out करना है कि कौन सा word ऐसा है जिसका letters क्या होना चाहिए, capital letter होना चाहिए. So we have to circle that word and write that letter. कौन सा letter capital होना चाहिए, we can write in this blank space. So let's start. Today is Earth Day. So here which one is the word which has got small letter and which should be having capital letter? So here the word Earth is, here the first letter of Earth should be capital, but here it has got small letter. So E, we are going to write E. So in this way we have to do others numbers also. So Pooja and Shalu are painting a tree. So here the word, the first letter, the first word of the first letter of the first word Pooja, P is small letter and also puja is the special name of a person. So, sorry, I have underlined this. Actually, you should circle the word. Here we are circling puja and P should be capital. Next is their teacher told them about Holi. So here again the first word, the first letter T is small letter, and always we know that a sentence always start with capital letter. So here we are circling the word there. T will always be in capital because there is a first word and the first letter of the first word will always be capital. The last one, my best friend is Shalu. Here the word Shalu is in small letter. S is in small letter, but S should be in capital letter. So we are circling this Shalu word and we are writing the actual capital letter. So at the end of this video, I am going to give you this word. So here what you have to do is put these words in correct order and use capital letter and full stop.
Start.
At the end of this video, I am going to give you this word. So here, put these words in correct order and use capital letter and full stop. So here what you have to do is, here are words and the words are not in the correct place. So यहाँ पे जितना भी sentence दिया है, group of words दिया है, those group of words are not in the right place. ये words इधर उधर jumbled up है. So what you have to do is, you have to find out the actual place of the word and write and do the correction of this jumbled words. So for example, I have done one. Let's say this. It's jammy noodles. Here the actual word should be, actual place of the word should be jammy it's noodle. And also we have to keep the actual place of the words, and also first letter will keep the capital, and at the end of the group of words or sentence we have to put full stop as mentioned in the question. So use capital letter and full stop. In some of the places the first letters are not being used in capital. So after arranging the words in the right place, you have to find out whether the first letter is written in capital or not, and also at the end of the sentence the full stop is there or not. So rest of the thing you can do it.